Hello everyone, let's start how to calculate TDS on vendor payment in Excel. So you can see our data. So to calculate TDS amount, select the cell used is equal to. Select the invoice amount, use your asterisk sign, select the TDS percentage and press the enter. And select the cell, double click on this corner point field below data. And after that, here I'm going to calculate net payment. Select the cell is equal to select the invoice amount minus TDS amount and press the enter. And you can see net payment here calculated. Select the cell, double click on this corner point field below data. Next, TDS status like high or normal. So select the cell, use the is equal to, type here if, select the if function, then select the TDS amount, use the greater than sign, and here I just add the amount 5,000, then comma, double quote, type here high TDS, then double quote, comma, double quote, normal TDS, then double quote, bracket close, and enter. Okay. So here you can see formula if D2, D2 means TDS amount is greater than 5,000, then TDS status will high TDS, otherwise normal TDS. So you can set the amount as you want. Okay. So I set here 5,000 and press enter. Here the first normal TDS. Okay. So its amount is not greater than 5,000. So select the cell, double click on this corner point, and here you see the high TDS. The TDS amount is greater than 5,000, indicate the status high TDS. Understood? Next here, I'm going to highlight TDS amount column with the conditional formatting. So I select the TDS amount column, go to the Home tab. In Styles group, click on the conditional formatting and click on here Highlight Cells Rules. Then click on the greater than. With the greater than dialog box is open. I type here the amount 5,000, the greater than 5,000 amount with the color. Just click on this drop down arrow. Here I select the green field with the dark green text and click on OK. Now again I click on the conditional formatting, click on the highlight cell rule. Now I click on the less than, and here the less than dialog box is open. Now type here the 5,000 less than 5,000 amount with the color. Here select, just click on this drop down arrow, and here I select the light red field with the dark red text. Click on OK, and here you see. Okay, so this is a way you can use the conditional formatting also to highlight the amount. Okay, now you can see the red highlight is showing the normal TDS, green highlight is showing the high TDS. Okay, so that's it. This is a way you can calculate TDS on vendor payment in Excel. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.